So coffee done, just now time for some fresh bagels. I like my bagels toasted, so in the toaster. So I like some cream cheese on the bagel. This is a little heavy breakfast, so probably skip on lunch because you guys have seen my previous video, right? I need to lose some weight. Anyways, let's get the cream cheese on the bagel. So here we go, guys. You'll have seen my breakfast, and now time to munch on. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing, and hope you saw what I enjoyed for breakfast. I had my coffee, I had my breakfast. But this video is about what I use for vlogging. I've just crossed 3,300 subscribers, and I thought, let me show you what I use and what I want to buy. So to start with, this is my iPhone 11 Pro, which is amazing for videos and photographs. And on that, I've got the Rode Micro, Video Micro. Okay, so I don't put this on the camera because on the mic because it comes in the way of the lens. But when you're outdoors, you need this dead cat. So I'm going to show you what else I use. I use the Joby 3K when I use my phone, and it's a Manfrotto phone mount which has a cold shoe for the mic. So this is my vlogging setup that got me to 3,300 subscribers. I'll also show you what else I use. So I shot that first clip in my guest bathroom, but let's come to what I use. So I was showing you on my phone, I've got the Rode Video Micro. This is about a $60 camera, but excellent. I mean, the professional Rode mics are like $250. So this is totally worth it for $60 for a professional mic. It has the dead cat, which I showed you. I have also got the Rode Lav mic, which is, you know, what I use on my helmet. So for my moto vlogs, I use the Rode Lav. And then sometimes like 50 to 60% of my vlogs are shot on this, especially my moto vlogs, the GoPro Hero 7. I have a GoPro Session as a backup, but it's not that great and it's quite old. So I don't use this that much for vlogging. It's mostly my iPhone 11 Pro and the Hero 7. So when I use the GoPro, I love this GoPro Claw, which is great for on the bicycle or even on the motorcycle. It's pretty firm and clips on very well to the handles of your bike, etc. I just bought this new lav mic called Boya. It is the Boya BY M1. And the only reason I bought it is because the wires are very long. So if I'm doing something where I'm talking into the camera, I can just wear this on my collar and get great sound. I've got the GoPro floaty handle, so it floats in water. These are the small dead cats which I ordered on Amazon, which you can put in your helmet or on any of the lav mics. This is the Joby 5K, which I use on a big camera, but I don't have a big camera now. I sold it. So probably the new camera will have this as the vlogging setup. Got the GoPro head mount. So if I'm cycling or doing a cooking vlog, I can put the GoPro on my head and mount it. This is my most favorite setup for the iPhone. It's a Manfrotto mini tripod with a phone holder. So you can just vlog easily holding this. It's also a tripod, so you can set it up anywhere. So this is pretty much the setup which has got me to where I am now with 3,300 subscribers. I need to now find out what I need next. Hi guys, I'm wearing the Boya BY-M1 lav mic, and the wire is so long that I'm standing so far from the camera, but I'm guessing you can hear me well. So I'm like at least 15 to 18 feet away from the camera. So that's the advantage of having a lav mic with a long wire. So if you can't afford like those wireless mics, the Boya BY-M1 is pretty affordable, and that's the amount of wire they give you with it. It's so long, and you also insert a battery here to ensure that the quality of sound is great. Hi guys, so I have Karishma here and I have to ask her some important questions. But Karishma, some good news. We crossed 3,400 subscribers.
Yay, congratulations.
Okay, so I get the wife's approval and now she's in a good mood. So how much do you think a new vlogging camera would cost? Okay, let me give you a hint. The GoPro is like 300.
Yeah, no, I mean, I don't know the exact cost, but I do know that camera equipment is pretty expensive. So I think the more sophisticated, I guess it can go up northwards. But I would say at least like $1,000-1,500.
1,000-1,500. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I can get something for 1,000 or 1,500 bucks, but you know, like what the professionals use are like $3,000-4,000.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Okay, so maybe I need more subscribers before we have that conversation again. But I think, what do you think about getting the right equipment for bettering the vlogs? And I mean, I've done the groundwork of 3,000 subscribers and over 100 videos.
Yeah, no, I mean, definitely in this space, you may have the best content, but obviously I do know that the equipment is really key. So I guess the more sophisticated the equipment that you have, the better the quality of the output. So
yeah,
I completely
so
get that.
I mean, to be very honest, I'm managing well on the phone and GoPro. And it's easier to carry the phone and GoPro around because I feel a little embarrassed with that big camera.
Much in your face.
Yeah,
You have to get used to it, I guess.
I have to get used to it, and I'll also probably use it more for the home shooting first, and when I get more confidence, because the good part about the US is nobody cares. So you can be walking around with any size camera, they wouldn't care. But would you be embarrassed if I was carrying that?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
So good. I think, I started off with a plan of buying a camera, but my birthday is coming in July. So far, I'm just working on it. Let's see how it goes. But I just wanted to give Karishma some idea because, the lens is 2,000 and the body is about 2,000.
Yeah.
But then once you buy that, you're kind of set for the next 5 years. You don't have to. So I'm not saying I'm going to spend that kind of money because I'm still a very small YouTuber. But that's the plan. I wanted the wife to be on the same page. Thanks, Karishma.
No, not
So
at all. Thanks
you're
for
happy
having
about
me.
the subscribers?
Of course, that's great news.
So that was the equipment I used, guys, and it's been extremely helpful to reach 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 subscribers. It's a great starting baseline for vlogging. The iPhone 11 Pro is with you wherever you go. So you can just take out your iPhone and start vlogging. If you want, you can carry the GoPro as an action camera, which is also great. So I will never get rid of the iPhone or GoPro as a vlogging setup. But I have been talking to Ashish and to my wife, as you've seen, about a professional vlogging setup. If I buy something, I want to make sure I buy something good, which will really make a big difference. If I'm just going to upgrade to a small incremental change, I had the G7X, I sold it. I had the Sony a6400, but with a wrong lens, so I didn't get a wide angle, so I sold that. So I don't keep cameras just salting. I like to buy something and use it, and if I don't use it, I sell it. So now I'm actually debating between the Sony ecosystem, which is the A7 III, and the lens, which is expensive. And I'm also looking at the Canon RP or the Canon EOS R or EOS RP, whatever it is. Those are great, and then the Canon lens is expensive, so those range between $1,000 to $2,000. So I'm still thinking. I'm not sure what I should buy. Please let me know in the comments if any of you are camera experts out there. Please let me know what vlogging setup. I know the Canon M50 also is one of the options. It's about $600. The kit lens is quite wide. There's a lot of new cameras coming out only for vloggers, but again, those are just not professional. They're very tiny. You have to hold them in a specific way. You have to do a lot of settings to get that wide shot, which I don't think is so great. I would rather use my iPhone. And as everyone says, the best vlogging setup is the camera you have already. So it's also about the content and the idea that you have. Anyways, wanted to share what I currently use. So just to recap, I 60% of the time shoot on my iPhone 11 Pro, and about 40% of the time, which is the motor vlogs and other videos, are through my GoPro Hero 7. So still on the learning curve, and thanks for joining my channel again. I hope you guys like this video, and take care. Bye.